Hello, good evening from Asia.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Okay, so today we're expected to have Claudio Tesone join us, who is the course director. Unfortunately, he's not being able to make it, but still we can have a nice introduction discussion here with the students. Um, I'll just briefly introduce this program. So MetaPool has been uh, backing a scholarship for students who want to participate in a course called Deep Dive in Blockchain, which is a summer course. It takes part on site in Zurich, although this year is in Zurich and Cape Town, and also it's an online course. In the first year we took part, we sponsored some scholars from Latin America. And this year, we have students from Latin America and also from Asia. So tonight's session is with 3 of the 4 students from Asia. And we would like, well, it's from the University of Zurich, that's very important. And we'll start with an introduction to each one of you. So you want to start, Lam?
Oh, hi everyone. My name is Lam Tam Nhu Nguyen, but you can call me Jeannie. It's my English name. I'm a senior student studying supply chain management at Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology, and I'm really grateful for having the scholarship to study in this program in Zurich University.
Fantastic. Okay, and Fadhil, or Fadhil,
Okay. So,
how do you pronounce
hello
it?
everyone. My name is Fadhil Razzan, but you can call me Fadhil or Razzan. It's all yours. I'm a student from Brawijaya University in Indonesia, and I'm majoring at business administration right now. So once again, thank you for the opportunity that has given to me for studying in the University of Zurich in blockchain summer class.
Fantastic. And we have next here, Kultawat.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes,
Yep.
we can.
So my name is Maneesri, or you can call me Ken. Currently, I'm in my first year of my bachelor's degree from Thailand. I'm studying at Thammasat University, SIHC, and I'm very excited to be a part of this scholarship opportunity from the University of Zurich. Thank you.
Fantastic. So I'm going to throw some questions to you guys and we can answer collectively. So I will start with asking, like, what is it that's drawn you most to this course, or what is the most that's interested you about taking part in this course? If you want to go, Fadhil, for
Okay.
instance.
Probably because I see blockchain is the future industry, so there's a lot of potential, of course, in the Web3 and blockchain industry. So that's why I wanted to learn more about this. So probably that's one of the reason why I want to study.
And what are you currently studying?
Right now I'm
What's the relationship with the
right now I'm studying at Brawijaya in business administration major.
And how do you see this? Do you see this applicable to what you're doing at the moment?
I think because in the future industry can be revolutionized into blockchain and Web3 thing. So I think yeah, it's still there is some potential I see, but yeah, we'll see in the future how it will go.
Okay, and Lam, you were mentioning you're doing supply chain.
Yes. So my major is supply chain. So of course, like, uh, I actually heard a lot about blockchain during all of my supply chain courses. It's kind of like some of like really important things that I need to consider during supply chain, because I think that for some of the some of the department in supply chain, for example, that deal with technical team. We also need blockchain for like oversee all of the things related to the information technology and all of the data inside the supply chain. So therefore, I want to study more about blockchain to get to know more in my major. Yes.
Very interesting. I see the potential there for sure. Okay, and Ken, how about you? You're a developer, right?
Well, so currently I'm studying at in a computer engineering major. So I do have some developer work, developer project in my university's year, and I really do see that blockchain will become a big part of that development because it's changing how we use payments every day. It's no longer a centralized system where we have to rely on banks. We can now have a P2P system between each person, and there's no um, centralized organization that's going to stop us there. So I really think that the DeFi and the cryptocurrency as a whole is a very good development that will happen to our payment and the developing of the computer systems.
Yep, fantastic. Um, you all went through a process to take part in this course. What do you find related to the application process? What do you find most challenging in terms of applying? I know Lam, for instance, the difference to the rest of you guys. Um, she did apply for on campus. That's proven to be a bit complicated uh, due to visa requirements and things like this, right?
Oh yes, I actually heard about this scholarship through my university, like through my campus, and like I just wanted to apply, but I didn't think that I would get the scholarship because I never thought of like getting gotten to like Switzerland universities. However, as you also said, the application process might be a little bit complicated since like there are like some of the because I want at first I wanted to go to Switzerland there to go there to study directly, but then there's some like visa process that kind of got complicated, and then I chose to study for the online version. Yeah, that is. I think that's the most difficult process during my application.
Yeah, we would have liked to have had a mix of students from, well, studying the course online and also attending on site. But of course, it very much depends on the travel relations that each country have with Switzerland, and for quite a few of the Southeast Asian countries, it's a bit complicated to apply for the visa. Something we weren't very aware of because this is the first time we participate with this, and we're taking note for future editions. How about uh, the rest of you for the online course? Um, how did you find the process of application, and how did you learn from it?
The application process.
Yeah, and also how did you learn about the course, Fadhil?
Well, I think I've read the what is called the document that have been sent to me, and I found it's kind of interesting, the plan, that the schedule that we got into the 3 weeks uh, in the future. So yeah, I found it interesting. And about the application process, I think I didn't found any. Uh, I didn't found it too hard. I just upload the required documents, and yeah, and here I am right now. So I'm very grateful about it.
Fantastic. And you learned from it from the course from your university, or was it from like some blockchain community?
Uh,
How did you
because
learn about the course?
actually, mpDAO is has very active community here in Indonesia. So
Mm-hmm.
I joined a lot of build buddies with Mr. Eko as the brand ambassador for Indonesia. So yeah, I
Fantastic.
learned a bit or a lot. Yeah, I learned somehow.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah,
And your university is in which city?
Malang, East Java.
Okay, Malang. Fantastic. Fantastic. And what about you, Ken? How did you learn about the course?
So I've heard it from the medical website directly. So I'm really interested in applying to the course here because I just wanted to have the opportunity to be able to learn about blockchain from the experts here, especially from the professors in the University of Zurich. And I want to really deep dive into how it really works here. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. And is there any particular aspect that you're more interested in? Uh, is there any category? This is what makes me tick. I want to know more about this.
Mm. Well, I think that for like in supply chain, when it comes to blockchain, we will always talk about like the safety network. That's
Mhm.
why I want to explore more about blockchain. Besides, uh, I also did some of like research, and also like some of like I also found out some of the information about Metapool as well. So, or you guys also require all the students here to like take the test, like take the examination about Metapool. So it's kind of really interesting for me
Mhm.
to learn more about Metapool as well as how the blockchain and how they do deal with the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. And that's like the like kind of like new insights for me about blockchain also. And I think that's some of the great thing I knew about blockchain. Yes.
Fantastic. Yeah. Of course, what we deal with is staking. But staking is related to node operators, and the nodes are what keeps each blockchain ticking. So, in your case, in supply chain, if you're using blockchain, and you're using it to validate and verify maybe different stages of in the supply chain. Um, you will be running your blockchain through nodes, and likely it'll be something similar to what we're doing. It'll be staking. So there is some relationship there, of course. And then Fadhil, you're more interested in the DeFi part of it, I guess.
Okay, nice question. But actually, I'm interested in crypto in general. Like I want to know how it works. Like, for example, maybe how the layer one blockchain works, like the framework, uh, how they can build like platform so the other projects like layer two can build also on their top. So I want to learn about that. And also, as you mentioned before, the node operator, I want to learn it. I want to learn it more how it works, the framework. So yeah, actually, I just interested more in general, not in one specific. But probably layer one is the
Fantastic.
most what I'm interested for.
Fantastic. And what about you, Ken?
Like the things that I'm most interested about, I think, is the blockchain itself. I think like me having this opportunity will be able to help me grow as a developer, and maybe in the future I'll be able to explore new opportunities and make my own projects, like MetaPool as well.
Fantastic. So this course, I think one of the things is going to be, guys, is going to be that course is going to be in evenings, possibly a bit towards the nighttime, I guess. There, conflict with other things that you may have.
Yeah, I think so because my major is actually about industrial management, and I just study more about supply chain. So I don't have much to do with like the technology, like all of the programming stuff like Python or C++. And like I heard that maybe to study about blockchain, you also have to learn about that. So I think it's kind of conflict with my major a little bit, but I think for me, I can study more about that. So yes.
Brilliant. So you guys, when are you due to start? When is the course beginning?
I believe it's from 30 June,
So you got 3 more
if
days
I'm not mistaken.
to go,
Yes.
and
Yeah,
I believe also you'll be doing teamwork. You'll be collaborating with people in other countries, other students that are going to be on site as well. So you'll be collaborating with them. It'll be very interesting to work with people from around the world. What is finally in the future? What would you? I know. I guess something related to what you're studying, but if there's a desired kind of job, and if you think of that, actually, what you're going to study now is going to help towards that.
I think
Last,
being a brand ambassador for Web2 project is kind of fun. I think, but yeah, I don't know how it goes.
okay, okay. And you, Lam, what kind of studying? and also taking part in this blockchain course. What's the kind of position that you would be looking for or expect to join? What kind of role, let's say?
I think that I would like to challenge myself in the data analyst because I believe that in the data analyst we also have to do with like the blockchain and as well as other thing related to blockchain. And by studying this, it will help me a lot in gaining more experience as well as knowledge and for my future career.
Fantastic, awesome. How about you, Ken? What would you like to be doing now in a few years once you finish your course here at university?
I think one of the things that I would like to pursue is becoming a project manager, especially projects in the Web3 space, because I think that after this course, I will have some of the basic knowledge in like the programming languages of the crypto. Um, I'm not sure yet whether it's the Ethereum programming or ICP. However, I could definitely use those knowledge to be able to grow a project in the future. Yeah.
So you would like to be a developer working in some layer or another.
Yes, yes, I would.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Well, it's really nice that we bring together people from different areas. You know, this course isn't aimed exclusively to people who have a technical background. Ken is more of the blockchain developer side um, that belongs to that vertical, let's say. But they really want to have on board people that come from different backgrounds and different industries and studies. So supply chain is amazing. Also, what you're doing with business studies as well, and you're going to be a nice mix of people. Also, to mention, it's there's a lot of people who've been applying for this course around the world, and we're super happy to have you guys on board. So we have 4 people, 2 from Indonesia, 1 from Thailand, 1 from Vietnam. We hope to have more people joining us next year. We expect to have a few more. And you guys are also going to help us spread the word, right? Because part of what you're doing as well is you're taking part in a session like this. You're also writing content, and your experiences is going to help other students decide to join us next year. Hopefully, they get selected, and we have a bunch more students. So that's awesome. To other students, what would you advise them? I know it's a bit difficult at this point because you're only just starting this. Maybe it's more of a question towards the end once you finish the course. But I'll let you with some final words if you want to mention something, and then we will be wrapping up this call.
Uh,
Yes, we have a question here. Sorry, please go ahead.
you can go ahead.
No, you go ahead, and then I'll have some questions here.
Uh,
All right, go ahead. Who
Please,
first?
you first. You
Lam or
first. You
me?
first.
Okay. So about advice for other students, probably don't afraid to try something because who knows, it can benefit you well. Example, the scholarship. I didn't expect much at the beginning, but at the end, yeah, I made it. So big thanks to Metapol and University of Zurich for this opportunity that has given to me. Thank you very much.
Okay, fantastic.
So my advice is also the same as his because as a business student, I never thought of like go get a scholarship like related to blockchain and from a university from Zurich, but I so therefore I just like advise people to like encourage people to have a courage to apply and like just do it. Don't no need to think about like will get the scholarship or not. Just apply it and just everything will come. So yes, that's all.
Fantastic. What about you, Ken?
I think I also do have some similar thoughts with them. Like, there's nothing to be afraid of because, at the end of the day, even if you don't get it, nothing will be lost, right? Like, it's better if you just try, and if you fail, you fail. But if you get it, it's a very good opportunity to be able to, learn from these world class professors and be able to learn these lessons to be able to do uh, anything or like pursue some jobs in crypto in the future. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, we look forward to seeing you progress along this course. You've got a few weeks ahead, uh, and we also want to see, on socials, we'll be seeing things about what you're doing, and we'll probably touch base again when you finish the course, and we'll see how it went. I think then you'll have a lot more things to talk about now. Okay, so wishing you all the best with this course, and we'll see you soon.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye
Bye
bye.
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 Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.